Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 3.1, question number 6. Find the angle, measure x in the following figures. Your B part is 6B. Your figure is like this. Okay. Here is 90-degree angle and here is X and here is 70-degree and here is 60-degree. You find out the value of X from this figure. Just when here is 90-degree angle, then this adjacent angle is also 90 degree because they make a linear pair angle, straight angle. Okay, this is also 90-degree angle. This is the mark of the 90-degree angle, symbol of the 90-degree angle. Then and this is also quadrilateral because 1, 2, 3, 4, four-sided figure. Then by angle the property of quadrilateral, that is 360 degrees. The sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Then you write down by angle sum property of a quadrilateral 90 degree plus X plus 70 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. Then you add 90, 70 and 60, you get 9, 7, 16, 16, 6, 22, 220 degree plus X is equal to 360 degree. Then X is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree, you get 140 degree. X is equal to 140 degree. This is your answer of D part. You write down, please. Then I will do C and D also. Okay. Question number C is you find out the value of X. Your figure is here. This is your figure. Here is 70 degree and here is 60 degree, and here is 30 degree, and this is X, and this is also X. You find out the value of X. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-sided figure. This means the sum of interior angles of pentagon is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180, means 3 into 180, 540 degree. Clear? And here is 70 degree, then this adjacent angle is 110 degree. I think you are able to calculate this angle because sum of these two angles is 180 degree. When you subtract 70 degree from 180, you get 110 degree. And here you get 180 minus 60, 120 degree. Clear? I write down here adjacent angle of 70 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is 110 degree. Adjacent angle of 60 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. And sum of interior angles of the pentagon is 540 degree. Then you write down by angle sum property of by angle sum property of a pentagon (110 degree) plus X plus 30 degree plus X plus 120 degree is equal to 540 degree. Then you add numerical values 110 plus 30, 140 and 120, 260. 260 degree plus X 2X is equal to 540 degree. Then 2X is equal to 540 minus 260 degree. 2X is equal to 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 14 minus 6, 8 and 4 minus 2, 2, 280 degree. Then X is equal to 280 degree upon 2. 2 1 and 2 1 2 4, that is X is equal to 140 degree. It is your answer of question number 6C. Carry on. Then 6D. D. D's figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Regular pentagon. Regular pentagon, all sides are equal. Here is marking, and you find out the value of x. Here is x. What is the value of x? This means you find out the value of x by angle sum property of a pentagon is equal to 540 degrees. All angles are x. Therefore, the value of x means x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540 degree. Means 5x is equal to 540 degree, then x is equal to 540 degree upon 5. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 8 ja. Means x is equal to 108 degree. It is your answer. Means when the sides are equal, their angles are also equal. This is regular pentagon. All sides and all angles are equal. Therefore, if it is x, then all of them rest angles are also x. Therefore, I write here x plus x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 540 degree. Then x is equal to 108 degree.